All right, so we're here over at Pearl, and we haven't driven it in a long time because apparently we're not getting no fuel. So we're gonna try some starter fluid just to eliminate whether or not we have a carb spark or compression issue. So, all right, try it. All right, so it will run. So I just got to figure out what's our fuel delivery problem. So that's kind of reassuring. So we're going to leave it at that. And then I'm going to go ahead and start trying to check to see what's going on with the fuel. All right, so I'm inside the cab and I wanted to see how much fuel it's got. It's showing just over a quarter of a tank, but you know that sending unit could be stuck. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to disconnect, not today because I ain't bring my lights like an idiot, but I'm going to disconnect the fuel from the bottom of the tank to see how much I get drained out. But we'll check it out. So at least we know Pearl still runs. So that's the line that's coming directly from underneath the tank. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna disconnect it here. I'm gonna disconnect it right here, and then I'll pull it down, let it drip inside a pan to see how much I get out. I have to research and see what the size of this tank was and divide that by 4. That'll give me roughly a quarter of a tank size, how much gas I should expect to come out. And man, I need to be prepared because if it's actually got a quarter of a tank, that could be upwards of what? I don't know. If this thing's got a 12-gallon tank, it could have up to 3 gallons come out. But, you know, check it from there, trace it all the way, make sure I'm getting fuel toward the front. And just keep tracing it, so we'll get Pearl back on the road pretty soon.